cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Bitch shot at for no reason. Coolin' with my heathens. It's that time of season. Glad I outran them demons. I used to wanna get even. Send a nigga to critical treatment. Leave a nigga mama speechless. I almost fell off the deep end. Ay, shh. Never snitching, I'm keeping my secrets. Dropping a deuce in a remix. I don't remember that evening. Shorty saw me like she teething. Baby, get to it, no teasing. Middle finger to anyone beefing. I made me some money to freaked it. Damn, my attitude was piss poor. Feeling like I didn't have shit to live for. Thinking about should I move back to where they kick doors. Baddie with the skin tone of a Lindor. Stumbling out the party on the 5th floor. She said, look at PA, you should live more. Took it as a sign, no, I'm the one to spend for. But now when she call me, she get ignored. Damn. I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. Oh no, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up.
你驚啊？你驚唔驚啊？你落車，你落車。
好晒食喎，
行近啲睇。
哇！你一走，媽媽走落嚟啊嗱！
佢淨係顧住食嘢。
佢就媽媽走落嚟啊！哇！阿 Peggy 啊 Peggy 啊，coming coming！
媽咁大隻啦！
哇！哥犀利啊！你嘅 Pauline 嚟啦 ，Pauline 嚟啦！哇！好多謝啊！